Welcome back.
Datmahseh.
Yeah man, I say yo, remember again subscribe, because a lot of people watch the channel but me realize enough of watch the channel and no subscribe.
Yeah.
We need for subscribe.
And give us some of them thumbs up.
Yeah,
there
man, and make some comment on them things, because them things they make the page active and make it look like we're going with things, and it help grow the page. Do you remember?
Same here, sir.
So you know, so a lot of things happen. Crazy things that we could have talked about. But some of them get still now, and some of them still relevant. One of them that's still relevant is the ban on plastic.
Well, like right now, the government have plan for ban plastic. And I see enough other countries in the world that find better use of plastic. So, we could see if we can reach out to the government then for try to give them that piece. Yeah. So, I don't know.
No, but I want to tell you, say, I'm going to give you some information that people might not know. Plastic can be used to construct road, or can be a component in road construction. Yeah. This is what is used to make roads presently in Jamaica. Right? This is asphalt and other components. But we're saying in the very near future, plastic can be used in road construction. It's going to be cheaper, it's going to be more durable, and it's going to be a lot more accessible, because Jamaica has a lot of plastic. So that may I say, we say in the future, probably even early as next year, Jamaica will have plastic roads. I just see this big truck passing with a lot of material. In the future, that might be plastic. But what do you think about the idea of plastic roads? Yeah, it's possible. Plastic can be used in road construction. It's been done in India, Australia, some parts of the US, and it might be coming to Jamaica very soon. What do you think about driving on a road made with plastic? Leave some comments and let me know what you think about the idea of driving on a plastic road. Would you have a problem with that, or would you welcome it? That may I say. Yeah. A lot of people don't aware that. So enough of the plastic them where they don't a river town and in the gully them. We can use them for the other things.
And the scandal bag them.
And the straw them.
And the thing them.
Yeah, because effective January 2019.
Them have a ban.
Them have a ban. No, I get no straw again in the supermarket. So I usually buy all soda and get straw. No more straw.
And when I get when I go a wholesale again, no scandal bag. I guess you don't forget for shopping.
No, them I get scandal bag, but it's the little one them now I get them no more. I just the big one them.
Which big one?
You know some big scandal bag man where you use.
Garbage bag?
Yeah man, like when you move, you throw your things them in there, you move with it.
I'm interested to see how that going to look next year. So, January.
So who used to straw them thing there? I'm sorry for no. I'm going to use straw still in it, so them can ban straw.
As of January 1st, 2019, the government will impose a ban on the import, manufacture, distribution, and use of all single-use plastic carrier bags with the dimensions at and below 24 inches by 24 inches, which includes those bags commonly referred to locally as scandal bags and T-shirt bags, used primarily in the retail and wholesale sector.
I have a little small concern about the scandal bag still, isn't it?
Yeah, because scandal bag are the lifeblood of Jamaica.
But I say still, the truth is, enough of the waste them and enough of what them concerned about. I think that we can use the plastic them in alternative ways, because enough use of it for plastic. If as me and this man are talking, and we are talking about plastic roads.
Yeah, because some places in the world, like India, Australia, where else?
United States, parts of United States.
Yeah, they might use plastic. They might use plastic in the road
construction.
So you know, so
roads are getting a little better in one northern Indian state, and it's not because of regular road material, but recycled plastic.
The Public Works Department of Himachal Pradesh in northern India has started constructing roads with plastic and polythene waste. It's an attempt to save the environment from the menace of plastic waste. The plastic will actually make roads stronger. This effort by the state government has been well appreciated by environmentalists in the area.
Plastic is dangerous to the environment, so we are making proper use of plastic waste and garbage. This will not only save the environment, but also save the government money, as it is very economical and saves expenses on charcoal.
Plastic is a menace, and we plan to use it more gainfully for construction of roads. This is at experimental stage yet. What we would do is to shred the plastic bags or plastic material with shredders, mix it up with the tarring material and lay it on the road. Tentatively, we have planned to use this kind of technology in the urban areas.
The plastic road lasts longer.
Yeah.
It more durable.
Yeah. Cheaper for fix.
It's cheaper for fix. It's cheaper for the component them cheaper. So look, from now on I got Portmore through the toll. When it want to repair and I go from Marcus Garvey or from Mandela when they want to repair it.
Yeah.
More than likely in the future plastic when I go drive upon.
Yeah, makes sense still.
Yeah, man.
I'm dying for Jamaica be pothole free.
No,
although I don't know if that ever.
No, that not got me. It's like how now get rid of plastic.
Yeah.
Can't get rid of pothole. A part of the Jamaican experience. If you don't have plastic bag of Jamaica, I'm a Jamaica there. If you're not a pothole, I'm a Jamaica there.
And there's somewhere else.
Follow see that, man. Them I go try. But do look out, me I go do a skit on the plastic bag. It's like a mad.
I swear.
Plastic ban, I go do a skit on it.
Yeah. Datmahseh.
Datmahseh. So episode 1, season 2, or season few are the second season.
Season second.
Yeah, where I said was a good look. It's just a reintroduction thing. You don't know the excitement not really started.
Yeah.
But we're gonna adjust how the season gonna go. Cause we'll share something new, you know. We do a little recap. Plastic road.
Yeah, so I guess every episode right now we are trying to make people who are our viewers check in and leave with at least something new.
Yeah, man, learn something, man.
Because really and truly the intellectuals them are ball out feed.
Body I talk about rare and excitement and
yeah,
we want to go forward and learn something. Leave with something.
No, some excitement I got dead, you know, because we're not going to try to go and just be a bland, you know.
Yeah.
But we're not leave with something.
Leave with something, man. You know, like when you go auntie yard and you don't know, them auntie they will have it, you know, you get a little thing when you leave.
Yeah.
So
leave with something.
Leave with something.
You love God auntie the yard, because you
left empty-handed. Not left empty-handed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, big up on yourself. Stay tuned for episode few, season few. Sounds stupid. Season 2. Episode 2, season 2.
Yeah, me never tell us if I take out 2 out of the new words. Me just say me prefer episode second.
Well, episode 2, season 2. Stick and stay.
Season second.
Surprise, you know, never know. So we are going to do our next episode or next season. Though, see them, man. Datmahseh.
Yeah, all of my friends we are talking about it. We're up.
Up again.
Datmahseh.